Okay, in the following tutorial we're going to teach you how to change the screen of a DELL INSPIRON N5010. What we're going to do first, as you can see here, we took off the battery, and now we're going to start working. First we got to remove the black carcass that's over our screen. This is easy. You got to be careful, put your fingers inside and it'll just start snapping off. You'll hear it. You can go following all the edge of this. And remember to be very careful. These are all plastic parts, very fragile. Okay, that is the first step. We're going to set this aside, and now we're going to start with our step number 2. Okay, for step number 2, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, and what we're going to do now is on the top left hand corner and on the top right hand corner there's 2 little black screws. What we're going to do is with the Phillips screwdriver we're going to unscrew them. You'll find that these are not as tightly screwed onto the screen. Take that into account for when we put it back on, because we're not going to want to tighten it too much because it'll break our new screen. Make sure you keep these screws separate. And now what we're going to do is we're going to remove this just a little in order for us to be able to unscrew these 1 and 2 and the same on the other side. Make sure you don't pull it that much off because you're going to break the other screws. Remember, it's 1, 2 and the same on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and unscrew those, and then we'll go to step number 3. Alright, now that we've taken off these screws, what we're going to want to do is gently remove. The webcam is up here. We're going to see a cable that's going through that, and it sticks to the screen, to our old broken screen. We're going to want to take that off. Untape it gently from our old broken screen. And this will allow us to remove the screen. Now what we're going to want to do, what you want to do here is this cable that's sticking into the webcam, you're going to want to gently pull it out. You'll see here how this works. This was stuck to the webcam. Make sure you pull out this the white connector. Okay. Now I'm going to take you down the bottom part of the screen. What we're going to do here is untape this golden tape. We're going to unstick it from the bottom of our screen and gently pull it out here. Pull it out towards where the screen used to be, and we're going to remove it. This is what connects it to the screen. Alright, there's some tape here. Your computer's brand new. We're going to have to do this really gently and make sure not to pull too hard on any of these. What we want to do now, obviously, is install the new one. So let's remove this old one gently, and remember how the position in which it was located. Now we're going to take out our new screen. We want to be really careful with our new screen. That way we don't get into all this process again. So here we are with the new screen. Now what we're gonna do is fit everything back how it was with the old one. So we stick this back in. There we go. And stick it back all along the line how it was on the other one. And then move up to the webcam part. Okay, we're finishing up here with our last screw. As a reminder, the screws that are on the side, the 4 screws, make sure they're the shortest screws out of the 6, so you won't have trouble with that. And the 2 longer screws will go up here in the top right and top left corners. And remember not to screw these so tightly. As soon as you start feeling pressure, it's okay, you just stop. And now you put the frame back on. Remember to do this gently. You can start by one corner and work yourself all the way across. Yeah. Feel it snap. Not too hard because you're going to break the new one. We obviously don't want that to happen. Alright, so now you got the new screen back on. Gently close this. Alright, we're going to put the battery back on. Make sure to lock these, both have to be where the little lock drawing is. And let's see how that went. There you go. You got your screen. New screen working. That was how to fix a broken DELL INSPIRON N5010 screen. In this case, we got the glossy option. You're going to find both glossy and matte. You can check there on the website. They have the whole differences in the charts and the positive aspects and negative aspects of each. So thank you very much, and I hope you got to do this rightly and it worked out good. Bye-bye.